Yo, I'm DMO Deejay and I'm going to show you the best feature of my home in Dubai. Come over here. It's not the pool. Come. It's not the living room. It's not the kitchen. Come. It's not upstairs. It's not the bedroom. It's not there. Keep coming. Here is the favorite part of my villa in Dubai. Whoosh! Have a look at that. My brand new garage style, fully specced out garage. As you can see, tiles on the floor. We've got the blacked out roof, blacked out ceilings, LED lights, and we've got, of course, the two DMO bad boy vehicles. Obviously, there's 50 more vehicles spread around the world, but here's my two that are available right now. Check it out. Big up Garage Style. If you want to get your garage pimped up like mine, hit up Garage Style. The link's in the bio, and they are the best in the game, and they're also available in Dubai. Let's go.